What's going on, boys and girls? Hey, I'm going to show you this quick video of something that I do every week just to prevent me from having to stop at fast food places or from running late. This is just a breakfast meal prep. I've done one of these videos before, and it's just something that makes your day easier. When you get up in the morning, you don't have to fix breakfast. It's already done for you. So it's Sunday now, and I'm going to do it with some sausage and eggs and some grits. All right, I hope I haven't left anything out, but we got our eggs, we got our sausage, we got our grits, got all of our stuff that goes in our eggs, chicken broth. We're going to put all this together, guys. It's going to be really simple. This is just something that I do just to show you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Remember to hit that thumbs up button. It really kicks the algorithm in for more people to see this video. Comment on if you ever do these meal preps yourself, and here we go. All right, so the grits are going to take the longest, so we're going to go ahead and get those prepared. We're using quick grits, guys, and the formula is 1/4 of a cup of grits to 1 cup of water, or we're using chicken broth here, so we're going to be making a 1/2 cup to 2 cups. We're going to throw some butter in there. That's about 4 tablespoons of butter. Then we're going to put some of my special seasoning blend in there. This is just a mixture of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, mustard powder, and paprika. Put a little bit more. All right, while we're waiting for the water to boil, we're going to cut up our sausage and go ahead and put our sausage in the pan. All right, pop those in the pan. We're going to go about 6 minutes per side. All right, you want to add your grits slowly here, guys. I'm doing this one-handed. I don't have my tripod up here, but add them slowly. I already put 1/4 of a cup in there. Just add them slowly and stir as you do it. Bring it up to a boil and then lower your temperature to about simmer. And you just want to stir this every few minutes, y'all. Make sure you put that lid up there. All right, give those a flip after about 6 minutes. Don't they look pretty? Now these quick grits, they do thicken up real fast, y'all. So make sure you check on them occasionally and give them a nice little stir. All right, we're gonna crack a dozen of eggs here. All right, now guys, you may want to try your eggs like this. This is some really good eggs. It's not really Cantonese, but it's a Cantonese style. We're gonna use about a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna use about 1/2 a teaspoon of pepper. Oh, and I left something out, y'all. We need about 1/2 a teaspoon of sugar. I left the sugar out. Yeah, you don't think about sugar in eggs, but this is really going to make these eggs taste so good. Not quite a teaspoon, but that should be enough there. We're going to use some chicken seasoning, some chicken powder, about 1/8 of a teaspoon or so. Then we're going to, hold on 1 second. All right, we're going to use a heaping teaspoon of cornstarch, and we're going to add about a tablespoon of water to it, y'all. And we're going to make a little slurry out of that right there. And this is going to make the eggs really, really fluffy, y'all. You'll see. If you've never cooked eggs like this, oh, you're going to love it. You're going to love it. All right, pour that in there. We're going to use a teaspoon of sesame oil. And we're going to use about 1/4 to 1/2 a teaspoon of, this is called Jiaoxing cooking wine. It sounds kind of weird, but it does its job. Again, about 1/4 of a teaspoon to 1/2 a teaspoonful. Then we're going to give it a nice little mix, y'all. Mix it up real good until it's bubbly. All right, I got this nice little hand mixer, y'all. This is so cool right here. I bought this when I was down on vacation. I just thought it was pretty cool. And it's better than taking out your whole mixer, you know. So we're going to mix that. I'm not going to show the whole thing, but you can kind of get the idea. Now I'll usually add some egg beaters in there, y'all, too, just because I love eggs. Usually add probably about half a cup in there. And again, give it a nice little stir. Mix it in real good. Now you can do this just with a whisk as well, too. But just do it until they're bubbly, just like that. All right, take all our sausage out. We'll have that left over. Now, you can use this grease just like it is, guys, but I want my eggs to be a little bit cleaner, so I'm going to dump this out and get some of the extra sausage particles out. All right, so I put the same oil back in there. It just doesn't have all the extra charred sausage in there. All right, so now we're going to add our eggs to this, y'all. Pour it all in there. And what I do, guys, and it may not be what everybody else does, but I usually let them sit there for about 3 minutes or so. So set your timer for 3 minutes, and then we'll come back and you'll see what happens. Alrighty, here we go. After 3 minutes, you're just gonna move it around. And you're just going to keep on moving these around, guys, until the eggs are set at your level. I like mine soft scrambled. So we'll come back once they're a little bit more set. All right, they're still setting up yet, guys. And I got a spatula or one of these. Oh, there's my timer going off here. I got one of these, whatever you call this thing right here. If you know what this thing is called, just put it in the comments, y'all. I can't think of what it's called. Isn't it a spatula? Anyway, it just makes it, it cleans the sides a little bit better. Again, we're going to go a little bit longer on this right here. I mean, I like mine soft, but I don't want them runny. Alrighty, eggs are all done. We're going to go ahead and plate it. Alrighty, we got everything plated up. Got our grits, sausage, and eggs all in 6 plates, and we're going to put those in some Ziploc bags. And all you got to do in the morning is just pop one out, pop it in the microwave, and go from there. All right, guys, there you go. All in Ziploc bags. We're all done. We got breakfast until, what, Friday? Got 5 meals, so we got it until Friday. Won't have to make any until Saturday, and I'm off on Saturday, so it'll be a cool day, relaxing day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helps you in your week, your day-to-day or week planning. Hit the little thumbs up, guys. That really increases the algorithm to send more of these videos out so more people can see them. Y'all have a great day. Like, share, comment. Peace.